So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to the link which will be down below in the description to download Msvcrt.dll. Now once you're on this website, we're going to scroll down. We're going to be having two downloads here, 64-bit and 32-bit. To know which one you need, you're going to head over to search and type in system information. Click on it. And then once you're on this, next to system type, it's going to be telling you, I'm on 64-bit, so I'm going to be getting that one. If your one says 32 or 86, you want to get the other one. But in my case, since I'm on 64, I'm going to be getting this one right here, 64. Click on download. It's now going to start downloading in 5 seconds. Wait for this to load. And then once the timer is finished, you should now have the download right here. If it did not start downloading for some reason, then you want to click download right here. So now once you have the download, you want to right click on it and then click on show in folder. And we should now have it here in our downloads folder. And then once you're on this, for the next step, we should be having our folder right here. You want to right click on it and then click on extract all. Now you want to untick this and then click on extract. We should now have a new folder right here. So now you want to double click on the folder and we should now be having our DLL file right here. So now once you find this, you want to right click on it and then click on copy. You want to copy this DLL file. And then once you've copied that, for the next step, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on it and then click on Windows. We're now going to find a folder called System32. So we're going to scroll down till we find System32. Here it is. Double click on this. You now want to paste the DLL file that we copied earlier into this folder. So you just want to right click on the blank area and then click on paste. I already have it in this folder. That's why it says for me replace. So I'm going to click on replace. But in your case, it's going to say something like continue. So I'm going to click on replace. You want to click on continue. I already have it in the folder, that's why it says this. But in your case, this DLL file should now be pasted into this folder. Now for the next step, we're going to paste that same DLL file into another folder. But this is only if you downloaded the 64-bit one. So if you would have downloaded the 32-bit version earlier, you could just restart your computer and then the problem should now be fixed. But if you got a 64-bit download, we're going to have to paste it into two folders. So if you got a 64-bit download like I did, then we're going to click on Windows on the top. And now we're just going to scroll down a little bit again. So we see sys64. Double click on sys64. We're going to paste it into this folder as well. So you just want to right click on a blank area and then click on paste. Again, I already have it in this folder, that's why it says this. So I'm going to click on replace and then continue. I already have it in the folder, that's why it says this. But in your case, you should now be able to paste this DLL file into this folder. Now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.